What time is it? It's FOMO time!
Hey, it's Billy Bob coming to you right here. I'm super excited because I'm getting back into the markets. Let me show you guys. Last time I got interested in getting back into the markets, okay? Let me go show my fancy dandy computer screen here. Last time I decided to get back in the markets, I waited. I didn't want to get in down here because it was boring. Price was red. Let me show you that. The price was red. I didn't want to do that. And I waited, 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 and waited. And then I was in this taxi cab one time. And this taxi cab, this driver, his name was FOMO. And FOMO said, you need to buy right now. And so that's what I did. FOMO told me to buy right here. And then let me show you what happened. I bought right here. I was so excited. And then all of a sudden, what the heck? Price started going down. It started going down. Started going down. I'm like, what the heck? Why is it going down? Why is it going down? Why is it going down? Oh, it's going back up. It's going back. Oh, it's going up. Yeah. You know what I did right here? You know what? I'll tell you what I did right here. Right here. Oh, hold on. Right here. I bought more. 69,000. Woohoo! All right. And then as soon as I bought, the next day, the price started going down and going down and going down and going down and going down. No. Right there. I'm out. That's when I got out. That's what I sold. I sold at the bottom. I bought at the top and I sold at the bottom. And I said to my wife, why did I do that? Why did I just lose 90% of the money that I put into that market? And she said, you know what? You need to call Joel. And that's what I did. Better call Joel. In fact, I'm going to call him right now. Hey, this is Joel. Hey, Joel, this is Billy Bob. Billy Bob, I'm calling you again. I called you 2 years ago. I called you 3 years ago when Bitcoin was right at the top. And I didn't know it was at the top at the time, but FOMO told me to buy. And so I bought and then I sold at the bottom. Joel, can you help me with that? Hey, Billy, it's great to hear from you. I expect your call about every 2-3 years, my friend. So thanks for calling back. So I understand, right? You bought at, let me guess, let me show you my screen. My guess is you bought here at the top and right here, and you bought, and then you held on, right? You probably did that thing called a hodl. People call hodl, and the price was going down, and you just held on, and you probably bought here, and you bought both tops, and then it went down and down and down, and you probably hodled. I'm guessing, right? You hodled. Am I right? You hodled. Joel, how did you know that? That's exactly what I did. Now I want to do it again. I don't want to do it again. I want to actually make money in the markets this time. Can you show me what is the secret? What's the secret weapon to be able to make money in the markets? All right, Billy, I'm going to teach you a couple things. By the way, what you want to do is you want to remember you want to buy when it's red and you want to sell when it's green. So let me show you the chart here, okay? So in the markets, you want to buy when it's red, and then you want to sell when it's green. If I were to look in here, you want to buy in these areas where it's red, where price is coming down, and you want to take profits when price is going up, okay? So you want to sell when it's green, sell when it's green. You want to buy when it's red, okay? So you want to buy in these areas where it's red, and then you want to sell in these areas where it's green. You want to do the opposite of what everyone else is doing, because here's the deal. You want to, and this is another way to say it, you want to buy when it's uncomfortable and sell when you don't want to. Buy when it's uncomfortable and sell when you don't want to. Well, that's easy. I just buy when it's red and sell when it's green, right? Now that's exactly what you do, Billy, but it's harder than you think it is, because your human emotions will get the best of you. And when you think when it's going up, you're going to think it's going to go up forever. All right, you're gonna think it's going up forever. And when it's going down, you're gonna think it's gonna go down forever, just like you saw back several years ago when it was going down, down, down. Some of the best times to buy was when it was going down. Now, guess what? My students and I, we were buying right in these levels heavily. This is when we were buying, okay? And this was in the boring times. And then as we were patient. And by the way, money moves from impatient hands, Billy Bob's hands, impatient hands to patient hands. Now that's not your fault of your own. You just didn't know, but now you know. Okay, money moves from impatient hands to patient hands. You want to be the patient hands one, Billy. And so here we are, right? Now we were buying and accumulating in here, and then price is going up, and it's going up, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up, and going up. And here we are at the time of me recording this video. Look where we're at. Look where we're at. New all-time highs. And so what do? Well, you buy, of course. No. Now, that doesn't mean you don't buy right now, but you do need to pick the opportune times when to buy. When you want to buy on red and sell on green. Buy on red and sell in green. Buy on red, sell on green. Buy on red, sell on green. Let me show you another time. Buy on red, sell on green. Buy on red, sell on green. Buy on red, sell on green. Do you get that? I get that, but my gosh, is there any way you can automate this? Or is there any way I can just copy you? Well, Billy, that's exactly what we do in our program. We actually teach you how to buy on red, sell on green, how you can actually automate that strategy, how you can actually just have it run on autopilot for you, or you can do other things where you can copy our trade alerts. They have a 91% win rate. Wait a minute, did I hear that right? You have a trade alert record of 91%? Can I see that? Sure thing, Billy, let me show you. So you can just go to trade.thecryptocode.com and you can see we have a trade record currently of 91.56, if I can get that to focus in there. And we bounce that around between 88 to 91%. You can see all of our public trade records there. It's a great way to do trading, to take trade alerts. And if you want to automate it as well, we can teach you how to automate trades as well with these things called wave bots, so that you can actually trade in crypto and not have to worry about looking at charts or getting heavily involved in staring at your phone all the time and learning a lot of technical things. Well, sign me up. How do I learn all about this? Well, that's pretty easy. All you need to do is go to our website. Let me show you really quick. Just go to thecryptocode.com, and then right here you can sign up for our free daily newsletter. Once you get into our free daily newsletter, we're going to actually email you every single day about the top picks that we're doing, things about the crypto markets, and you can get a free weekly trade alert. Each and every week, we'll do a free one. This has a 90% win rate. In fact, our weekly trade alerts actually have a 100% win rate. So you can get that for free. We send that to you via email. You can join our Facebook group, free Facebook group, or a Telegram group. Now, if you want to get really serious, fill this form out, and when you're done, there'll be another form, and you can attend our workshop. Attend the workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we'll send you $10 in Bitcoin for your time for just checking it out. And you're probably going to learn something as well. Well, Joel, that sounds like a no-brainer. Why wouldn't anyone do that? I don't know, Billy. I guess if people want to just buy at the top and sell at the bottom and lose their shorts again in the markets, then they don't need to go watch our workshop or get our free trade alerts. But if you're the type of person that you actually finally want to have success with this and you want to join thousands of others who are having success in the markets, then go ahead and go to join our newsletter. So just go there, sign up for the newsletter. Sign up for the newsletter, you get a weekly trade alert, and on the next page, the final page, you can actually sign up for our workshop, attend the workshop, and see what we do, learn what we do at the Crypto Code, and then we'll actually send you $10 in Bitcoin. Well, dang, I'd like to get $10 in Bitcoin. Hey, you know the interesting thing, when we first started doing the $10 in Bitcoin, that Bitcoin is now worth about $40 in Bitcoin. So who knows where Bitcoin will go someday. Well, that sounds like a no-brainer to me. Where do I go again? Just go to thecryptocode.com. Again, look on our front page. You'll see the links to get to our newsletter. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have all kinds of links there, guys. We just want to get you plugged in and teach you to have real success in the markets. Well, thanks, Joel. I'm looking forward to checking it all out. And this time, I'm going to buy when it's red and sell when it's green. All right, guys, see you on the inside. Hope to see you inside of one of our areas here. Good luck with your crypto. As always, take massive action in your life, anything you do. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching The Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at The Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We have already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 90% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.